Hi, my name is Suzanna Kafer, and I will be double majoring in biology and chemistry next year in college. Today I'm going to be talking about the division of somatic cells, which is the cell cycle, and the cell cycle consists of two parts. There is interphase, and then there is mitosis. So interphase is much longer than mitosis, and it has three subsections, G1, S, and G2. So in G1, there is the synthesis of proteins and organelles. S, which stands for synthesis, is the replication of DNA. So that way there will be equal numbers of chromosomes in each of the new daughter cells. And then during G2, there is the organization of microtubules at the centrosomes, and there is also continued just general growth of the cell. Mitosis has six main parts. There is prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. So in prophase, there's three main things that occur. There is the nuclear envelope begins to dissolve. The chromatin, which is genetic material, begins to condense into the X-shaped chromosome that we all know and love. And then there's also the centrosomes, and they begin to move to opposite poles of the cell. And centrosomes are microtubule assembling centers. During prometaphase, the nuclear envelope has already completely dissolved, and then the microtubules from opposite poles connect at kinetochores of the chromosomes, and kinetochores are protein complexes. And a tug-of-war game begins to start between the opposite poles as they try to align all the chromosomes together. And when the chromosomes are aligned together, we have metaphase. Metaphase is where all the chromosomes are aligned. And then we have anaphase. Anaphase is when the sister chromatids are separated, and you have them moving towards opposite poles pulled apart by the microtubules. Telophase is when you have the reforming of the nuclear envelope around the chromosomes. So you begin to see what looks like the two new daughter cells. Then you have cytokinesis, which is the actual physical division of the cell, in which a contractile ring composed of actin and myosin forms, and it acts like a muscle, and it contracts in the two cells, and then two daughter cells are formed. There's G0 phase, which is the phase that cells are in when they're not going through growth or division. And then there's also heart cells and neurons in the human body. They do not ever divide, and you never get to renew those. I'm particularly interested in this because of when the cell cycle goes wrong, there's too much division, and you have cancer. And I'm interested in studying that. But thank you for your time and consideration.